Welcome to Sake Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see one probability sum. Okay, look at the question. Find the probability that 5 Sundays occur in the April month of the randomly selected year. Okay. In 1 month, 28 days, 29 days, 30 days, 31 days, depending upon the month. April month has 30 days. In any month, all the days will repeat 4 times minimum, because 28 days, one cycle. One cycle, in 1 week, 7 days. So it will be in every month, all the days will come 4 times. If it is coming 5 times, it is in days, month of 30, 31 days, 21, 29 days, it is possible. That probability we are going to see. Okay. Suppose April 1st is Sunday. Then the next Sunday when will come? 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th. Okay. So 5 times Sunday will come. If it is April 1st is Sunday. If it is April 1st is Saturday, one day before. April 1st is Saturday. Then second Sunday will come. Then when Sunday will come? 9th, 16th, 23rd, 30th. 30th. So 5 Sundays came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is any other days, it will not come. Only Saturday is the possible. It can come 5 times. Okay, for example, if it is Friday, April 1st is Friday. Then the first Sunday when will come? Second is Saturday, third is Sunday. 3rd, 10, 17, 24. So 31st is in April, it is not possible. So when 5 Sundays will come in April, when the April 1st is Saturday or Sunday. None of other days, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, it will not happen. So what is the probability? What is the probability? Total outcome is 7. What is the observed outcome? 2. Sunday and Saturday. 2 by 7. So find the probability is 2 by 7 that 5 Sundays occur in the April month of randomly selected years. Okay. If it is first is Saturday, second is Sunday, it will come. For example, note it down. April 1st, there is a possibility. It can be any one of the day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If it is any one of the day. If it is Sunday and Saturday, it is possible. Remaining other days, it is not possible. Okay. Now, find the probability that 5 Sundays occur in the May month of your randomly selected years. So what is the possible? If it is Friday, first is Friday, second Saturday, third Sunday, May month having 31 days. So 3rd Sunday, 10th, 17th, 24th, 31st. If it is first is Friday, it is possible. If first is Saturday, it is possible, because second will come on Sunday. 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd, 30. Okay. If first is Sunday, 8, 15, 22, 29. Possible. As 31st comes on Friday, so this is the maximum possibility. So 3 over 7. Okay. Got it? Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.